In this tutorial video, I will be showing you how to complete the first step of the BigCommerce plan, which is to install our app in your store. Click on step 1. You must already have a BigCommerce store to do this. You will be given a 7-day free trial if it is your first time. After your free trial ends, you will be charged $29.99 every month. Click on Get This App. Sign in. Then click Install. Then click Confirm. Click on Next. As you see, it has been installed. Now if you go back to your BigCommerce plan, you can see step 1 is completed. I will cover the other steps in separate videos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video for future tutorial videos.